T-A sound. The sound at the beginning of words. Thanks, Thursday, thick, think, thunder, in the middle of words. Anything, bath mat, toothpick, athletic, mouthwash, at the ends of words. Bath, forth, north, south, beneath. I think, I thought, a thought, but the thought I thought is not the thought that I thought I thought. I think I thought a thought, but the thought I thought is not the thought that I thought I thought. B. The sound th at the beginning of words. The, them, those, that, there, these, they, these. In the middle of words. Clothing, another, leather, weather, mother, northern. At the end of words. Smooth, bathe, breathe. This is the best one. Which computer should I get? Look at this one. This is the best one. Really? But I think that's over there looks nice too. Yes, but I think this one is better. This is the best one. Are you sure? Yes, this is the best one. Okay, I'll buy it.